So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be based upon paints that I use to repair worktops and wooden doors. On repairing worktops and wooden doors, I either sand out or fill the damage. If you'd like to check out my previous video, it shows me repairing an oak veneered wooden door. Okay. Back to the paints that I will use to help me disguise that there has been damage. I tend to use acrylic model paints as they come in a wide range of colours and they're easy to mix to the colour you require. As you can see, I'm testing the colours on a plain piece of paper. Usually I do this on the surface of the damaged area to try and find out the right colour. When mixing, be careful, as you may think you've got the right colour mix just right, but when it dries, it tends to dry slightly darker. By using an ink gun, it enables you to mix the colours, dry them quickly, and if they're not quite right, the mix hasn't set, so you can adjust it to what you need. With using a light brown and a darker one, you can mix the two together to integrate the colours. This will help give you a better effect of recreating a piece of wood. When I repaired this butcher block worktop, I repaired the damage with filler and then I masked the sections off, similar to what I've done on this plain piece of paper. I've painted a light brown base coat on the section that's masked off. This is what I did on the worktop. This helps to put a first layer on the area that was repaired. As this is just practicing on a piece of paper, I am going to do it quite quickly, just to give you a rough effect on how wooden grain can be created. Starting with the lighter one and starting in the corner, paint a series of lines and blend it in with your finger. This spreads the paint out to give it a grain effect. Now using a slightly darker one, paint lines next to the lighter ones and again working the paint in with your finger to spread the paint out. Lastly, using the darkest colour, using a thinner paintbrush, paint the thin lines in between the other two colours and again blend in with your finger. Now I've removed the tape, you can see it looks like a grained piece of wood. I've done this very quickly, as I've said, to show you how to create the grain effect. When repairing the worktop, I spent a lot more time perfecting the colours and carefully recreating the grain. Also, don't think you have to recreate the same as what's on there. Create your own pattern. As long as the colours match, you will not notice. Just make sure you gradually blend it in as you gradually move away from the damaged area. When the paintwork is complete and you're happy with your repair, apply several coats of lacquer to protect the repair. Worktops require even more layers of lacquer, as this area will have more use. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment below and we'll do our best to reply. And please click on subscribe as I do plan to put more videos on in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers, a repair is cheaper than buying a new one. Thanks for watching.